Nasa corridor na kami. Ito yung boat namin. Walang kwentang boat, saksakan ng init. Bulok na tong boat na to. Kaya nagdi-disembark na sila. Ito yung mga trolley sasakyan namin. Nasa corridor na. Sakay na kami sa trolley. Napakabulok na ang boat na to. Ano ba ito? MV Sun something. Bulok. Next time hindi na ako sasakay dito. Hindi na maulit ang corridor tour na to. Pacific War Memorial in Corredor. Here is the pictures. People of the Philippines, 4th Regiment, U.S. Marine Corps. These are all the officers. Officers here. Yamashita. Stragglers, etc. This is the uniform of United States Marine Corps. Brigadier General George Jones. Ayun. Equalis Rifle. Parachute Regiment. February 16, 1945. Ito yung weaponry. 81mm mortar used against Japanese invading forces on corridor. And this is the small arms. 45 caliber pistol, Thompson submachine gun, Liberator one-shot pistol, 45 caliber, M1 Garand, Enfield, British Enfield caliber 30, the Japanese pistol, and Baltic, and a revolver, samurai sword, miniature samurai sword, M1 carbine, grease gun, 45 caliber, air gun, 1903 sniper rifle, Japanese caliber 32 sniper rifle. And then this is the 50 caliber water-cooled anti-aircraft machine gun used against Japanese forces. General Douglas MacArthur. Catalina seaplane, Corsair, B-17 bomber, 30 caliber air-cooled machine gun, 50 caliber Mod Deuce M2, 30 caliber machine gun. And this is the map of Corregidor. Map of Corregidor. Air conditioning. B-24 Liberator, E-40 Warhawk, P-51 Mustang. Water-cooled 30 caliber machine gun, anti-tank recoilless rifle, 60mm mortar, and then we got the P-25 Mitchell, P-38 Lightning, and the ano ba ito? B-26 Marauder. Okay. these are the shells. Ito pa yung shells. Ito, binabomba. Pilipinas. Carpet bombing. Ito yung map niya. Ito naman Japanese soldier. First Lieutenant Isao Kobata from Wakayama Regiment. Okay, ang uniform. Japanese soldier. Kasama isa ito yung battleship row in Pearl Harbor. Battleships. No aircraft carriers. Here can be seen. Ito yung susi. Aviation goggles, etc. Okay. Ito. Mga medalya. Ito yung currency ng araw. Currency. That's the currency ng World War II. Yan yung pera. Ito naman yung PT boat. PT boat ng World War. Dito yata tumakas si MacArthur. This one. So this is the museum. Pacific War Memorial in Corridor. Ngayon lalabas na ako. Ito ang cover ng Time Magazine. General Wainwright, General of Corridor, who surrendered. Historical Bataan. Instrument of surrender. Official documents. Show this was first. Civil War. Liberation. Time. Today. Tarlac. Ito yung ang laban ng Pilipino, yung bangka. Ito yung mga sandala ng araw. Ito ang Miss Universe ng World War II Miss Corridor pageant. Ang flag of America. At Corridor flag. This was the when they surrendered. It's the American flag that was hoisted. Four stars. Ayan, Corridor Island ulit. Itabi pala Caballo Island. Caballo or horse. Ito Corridor. Ayan. Maganda Corridor.